Obesity is a growing issue in the United States, affecting millions of American adults. Despite advancements in health and fitness awareness, the number of adults struggling with obesity continues to rise. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), nearly 40% of American adults are considered obese, which significantly increases their risk of various health complications. In this video, we will explore the reasons behind the obesity epidemic, its health implications, and what can be done to curb this alarming trend. Part 1. The rising obesity rates. Over the past few decades, obesity rates in the U.S. have steadily increased, and the problem shows no signs of slowing down. Factors such as poor dietary habits, lack of physical activity, and socioeconomic conditions contribute significantly to the rising numbers. The pandemic also exacerbated these numbers as lockdowns and social distancing made it harder for people to maintain active lifestyles. This ongoing increase in obesity is alarming because it is associated with numerous health risks, including heart disease, diabetes, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Part 2. Poor diet choices. One of the leading contributors to obesity is poor dietary choices. Highly processed foods, sugary beverages, and excessive consumption of fast food have become staples in the American diet. These foods are typically high in calories, but low in essential nutrients. The high availability of cheap calorie-dense foods, combined with busy lifestyles, makes it difficult for many individuals to choose healthier options. As a result, people often consume more calories than their bodies need, leading to weight gain over time. Part 3. Lack of physical activity. Physical inactivity is another major factor in the rise of obesity. Sedentary lifestyles, often fueled by desk jobs, long hours of screen time, and the convenience of driving rather than walking, contribute to the growing obesity crisis. Exercise is essential for maintaining a healthy weight, as it helps to burn calories and build muscle mass. However, many adults struggle to find the time or motivation to incorporate physical activity into their daily routines, further exacerbating the obesity epidemic. Part 4. Impact of stress and mental health. Stress, anxiety, and depression have a significant impact on eating behaviors. Many people turn to food, especially comfort food, as a way to cope with emotional stress. This form of emotional eating can lead to overeating and unhealthy weight gain. Mental health issues can also make it harder for individuals to engage in healthy behaviors like exercising or meal prepping. Unfortunately, stress and mental health disorders have become increasingly prevalent in modern society, further contributing to the obesity crisis. Part 5. The role of genetics. While lifestyle choices are a significant factor in obesity, genetics also play a role in determining an individual's propensity for weight gain. Some people may have a genetic predisposition that makes it harder for them to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Genetic factors can affect how the body stores fat, regulates hunger, and burns calories. This genetic component, combined with environmental and lifestyle factors, can increase the risk of obesity. Part 6. Socioeconomic factors. Socioeconomic status is a significant determinant of obesity rates. Studies show that low-income individuals are more likely to suffer from obesity, primarily due to the high cost of healthy food options and limited access to fitness resources. Living in food deserts, areas where access to affordable healthy food is limited, makes it even harder for people to make healthy dietary choices. Additionally, many low-income neighborhoods lack safe spaces for physical activity, making it difficult to exercise regularly. Part 7. The influence of marketing and advertising. Marketing and advertising have a powerful impact on consumer behavior, and when it comes to food choices, this influence can be a major contributing factor to the obesity epidemic. Every day, people are bombarded with advertisements for high-calorie processed foods that are often loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives. These ads are designed designed to be enticing, using bright colors, catchy jingles, and celebrity endorsements to create an emotional connection with the audience. Unfortunately, these marketing strategies lead many individuals, particularly children and young adults, to make unhealthy dietary choices that contribute to excessive weight gain. One of the biggest concerns regarding food marketing is its strong focus on children. Research shows that food and beverage companies spend billions of dollars annually targeting young audiences through television commercials, online ads, and even social media influencers. These advertisements often feature cartoon characters, toys, and special promotions to make unhealthy food options more appealing to kids. Since children are highly impressionable and do not always understand the persuasive intent behind advertisements, they are more likely to crave and demand these unhealthy products, leading to poor eating habits from an early age. Part 8. The health consequences of obesity. The health consequences of obesity are far-reaching and can significantly reduce an individual's quality of life. Obesity increases the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and certain cancers. It also contributes to joint problems, sleep apnea, and a variety of mental health conditions, including depression and anxiety. As the number of obese adults continues to rise, the healthcare system faces increasing costs associated with treating obesity-related conditions. Part 9. Addressing the issue: lifestyle changes. To effectively combat the rising obesity epidemic, individuals must shift their focus toward long-term sustainable lifestyle changes rather than short-term dieting or extreme fitness routines. Obesity is a complex issue, influenced by genetics, environment, behavior, and social factors, which means that solutions must be holistic and adaptable to an individual's unique needs. While medical interventions and public health initiatives play a role, the foundation of weight management and overall health lies in everyday lifestyle choices. By making gradual, consistent changes to nutrition, physical activity, stress management, and daily habits, individuals can take control of their well-being and work toward a healthier future. One of the most crucial steps in preventing and managing obesity is adopting a balanced, nutrient-dense diet. This means shifting away from heavily processed, high-calorie foods that are loaded with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Instead, people should prioritize whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which support metabolism, digestion, and overall health. Making small adjustments, like swapping soda for water, replacing refined grains with whole grains, and reducing fast food intake, can have a major impact on weight and long-term health. Part 10. The role of policy and education. Governments, health organizations, and policy makers play a critical role in addressing the rising obesity epidemic. While individual lifestyle changes are essential, large-scale public health initiatives and policy reforms are needed to create environments that promote healthier living. The obesity crisis is not just a personal issue, it is a societal challenge that requires collective action. By implementing policies that regulate food marketing, improve access to healthier options, enhance nutrition education, and encourage physical activity, authorities can help curb obesity rates and create a healthier future for all. One of the most effective strategies in combating obesity is regulating the marketing of unhealthy foods, especially to children. Many food companies spend billions of dollars annually on advertisements that promote high-calorie, sugar-laden, and ultra-processed products. These ads often use bright packaging, cartoon characters, and celebrity endorsements to appeal to young audiences. Research has shown that exposure to these advertisements increases children's preferences for unhealthy foods, leading to poor dietary habits from an early age. Obesity is a complex and multifaceted issue that requires a collective effort to address. From lifestyle changes to policy reform, tackling obesity involves making healthier food choices, engaging in physical activity, managing stress, and creating supportive environments for healthier living. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. Stay informed, stay healthy, and take control of your wellness journey.